I ramble along a damaged river, wistful memories of teeming waters. Its depletion mercifully altered. Now there's no more sons or daughters. The path I take is eerily still, but in the distance, faint bird song. Or is it just a fervid yearning for a time before things went so wrong? And there's rain falling. Ooh, blue skies. It was as if our minds were set in conscious communal suicide path. We progressed in leaps and bounds, foresight and patience. We let turn deaf ears to saner voices, and empty hearts brought empty streets. Nature again retaliated, the living nightmare on repeat. Now there's rain falling from far. Blue skies. Lost what was most precious, intangible things that made us human. Like a thirst not satiated, our lust for more was all consuming. The virus left us decimated. Now who can say where our future lies? But I know the mother's weeping. I walk through tears from her blue eyes. There's rain falling from